So good morning students of both classes 9 and 10, and I'm sure by now you must have all finished doing the exercises in grammar which I gave you, the transformations and the prepositions and also the verbs. So now let's take a look at the solutions. So as we discuss, I expect all of you to check your answers, and while checking your answers, if you find that you have written something which you think could be correct other than what I have said in this solution video, you can keep that for clarification when we have the live session. So now sit back and take a look at the answers as I discuss them one by one. So taking up the first exercise, that is sentence A is done for you and sentence B you have to complete with one example given. First sentence, people know more about her novels than her plays. Answer, she is better known for her novels than her plays. She is better known for her novels than her plays. Then number 2, the manager called a meeting to discuss the company's finances. The manager's purpose for calling a meeting was to discuss the company's finances. The manager's purpose for calling a meeting was to discuss the company's finances. Number 3, the thieves were stealing my car when I arrived. My car was being stolen by the thieves when I arrived. My car was being stolen by the thieves when I arrived. Number 4, I told them not to cross the bridge at night. I warned them against crossing the bridge at night. Number 5, the nurse asked the doctor, may I know how you will handle the difficult case? It's, I think, that difficult case. The nurse inquired to the doctor. The nurse inquired to the doctor about how he would handle that difficult case. The nurse inquired to the doctor about how he would handle that difficult case. Then number 6, his mother made him study Sanskrit at the age of 5. At the age of 5, he was made to study Sanskrit by his mother. At the age of 5, he was made to study Sanskrit by his mother. Then number 7, I have never had a piece of cake as good as this. This is the best piece of cake I have ever had. This is the best piece of cake I have ever had. Number 8, I can't drink this coffee. It's too cold. This coffee is not drinkable because it's too cold. This coffee is not drinkable. You can avoid writing by me because the agent doing the work is understood in this sentence. So we are changing from active to passive basically. So this coffee is not drinkable because it's too cold. Then number 9, in spite of his sound economic status, he is not happy. However sound his economic status is, comma, he is not happy. However sound his economic status is, comma, he is not happy. You can also alternatively do it as however sound his economic status might be, comma, he is not happy. You can also use yet. So these are all the alternative answers. So these are also possible. In spite of his sound economic status, however sound his economic status might be, yet he is not happy. However sound his economic status might be, comma, he is not happy. However sound his economic status is, comma, he is not happy. Now number 10, the last one. During the show on TV, the phone rang. While the show was in progress on TV, the phone rang. while, sorry, it's given as while I. Okay, number 10. During the show on TV, the phone rang. While I was watching the show on TV, the phone rang. Since I is given, so while I was watching the show on TV, the phone rang. Now coming to fill in each blank with suitable word. The first one, Sonia's daughter does not take dash her at all, after her. Number 2, he has taken dash painting as a hobby, taken to, TO2. The number 3, we cannot put dash with his rude behavior, put up. Up means tolerate. Number 4, she put dash a pretty dress for the party, she put on a pretty dress for the party. Number 5, keep dash trying until you succeed, keep on trying. Keep on trying. So twice you have to write on for number 4 as well as number 5. Number 6, he kept away from school for a week. Number 7, public servants go by the rules. Public servants go by the rules. Number 8, my brother went through rather a difficult phase. Through. Number 9, the water was absorbed by the sponge. And number 10, Rita was absorbed in the group quickly. Now coming to fill in the blanks with the right form of the word given in brackets. The Brooklyn Bridge that spans the river connecting Manhattan Island to Brooklyn is truly a miracle bridge. In 1863, a creative engineer named John Roebling was inspired by an idea for this spectacular bridge. However, the bridge building experts throughout the world told him to forget it. It could not be done. Roebling convinced his son Washington, who was a young engineer, his son Washington, who was a young engineer, that the bridge could be built. The two of them developed the concepts of how it could be accomplished and how the obstacles could be overcome. Accomplished. Then, the project was only a few months under construction when a tragic accident on the site took the life of John Roebling and severely injured his son, Washington. Washington was left, this will be number 6 will be was left, with permanent brain damage and was unable to talk or walk. Everyone felt that the project would be scrapped, SCRAPPED, since the Roeblings were the only ones who knew how the bridge could be built. In course of time, Washington developed a code of communication by touching the arm of his wife, who could say what he wanted to be done. After 13 years, the Brooklyn Bridge was finally completed. So now that I have discussed the answers, I am sure you have gone through all my solutions and you have also compared with the answers which you have written. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you have any alternative answer other than what I have said or discussed in this video, you can ask me in the live session after this particular video is watched by you. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.